In this video, I will tell you how you can get Discord Nitro for free without a credit card. Subscribe to this channel because if you don't, then you'll see a ghost at 3 a.m. First thing you need to do is click the link in description, and now you are on Swag Bucks. You will need to simply log in, and then you will need to start playing games. Swag Bucks will basically give you Swag Bucks for every offer you complete. You will need to get 1,000 Swag Bucks in order to get Nitro, and this will take like a week. You can either play games to complete offer, or give answers in survey to get your Swag Bucks, and once you have your 1,000 Swag Bucks, you will be able to get a $10 Amazon gift card, and from Amazon you can buy a Discord Nitro gift, which you can claim on your main account. You can also get Steam gift cards and much more stuff from Swag Bucks. If you want to get Nitro Basic, then that will take you just 500 SP. You just need to spend 2-3 hours on this, and you'll have Nitro in some days. Keep in mind that this method of getting free Nitro takes time. If you want to know some faster ways, then you can watch my other videos in this playlist. Subscribe to keep watching videos like these.